car came in with this rattle, and here is the right hand there. We took off the battery, and so it would usually show restricted performance on the dashboard.
Good morning. I just tuned into your station and I heard the last one I talk about asthma. The truth is, this guy's I won't say that. I was going to the hospital with a pregnant woman. My car broke down, and the next thing I saw was the last guys. Now it depends on where your car broke down. That is their job and how they treated you. I would have been very happy to have that